This is me, period. Before any makeup, before any facelifting, before any hair on. I'm 63 years old. Just like a lot of you women who are past middle age, you struggle with your appearance. Looking your best at every age has been my motto for 30 years. Hair makes you look so much more youthful. Beautiful complexion without wrinkles makes you look so much more youthful. Clear eyes, the way you apply your makeup, everything. I'm introducing my new products, which are my hair units that I totally make myself. I'm surrounded by them ever since I come off the road with Rob this week. Oh, speaking of Rob, he's gonna really have fun with this video. But since we've come off the road, all I have been doing is I have been making hair units for my new website. Let's see, can I show you some of the things I'm doing? This is a little cute number that I just made. Hair units are easier to make and they're easier to wear, to install. This one, I had started originally to make it for myself because I wanted something different. So I think not. I am going to put it on the site because it can be cut and shaped and worn for someone who likes this curlier style. I colored the hair jet black, which is a popular color. All of the hair I use comes in the natural color and most of the time the natural texture, and I will texturize it the way I want. For example, making the hair curly. Hair color is a big factor. People want color, so I'm experimenting with colors, and so far so good. Another little cute unit that I made is this natural hair unit. You'll be able to see it better displayed on the website, but it really is cute. Here's another little cute one that I've done. It's called a demi unit. It's for someone who has fine hair already and doesn't want to come out with a hair addition that's outrageously thick. This just looks like you've got a little more hair. So here's one that I just finished. And I'm liking this new color that it's called Brassy because there's some red tones in it. If you're someone who has thinner hair on top, but you don't want it to look excessively thick when you come out with a new look, this looks like it's a transition. My units are not too thick. I'm not an advocate of a lot of bulk because bulk to me does not look natural. But as you get older, my age 63, now come on, we're not gonna have a whole bunch of thick hair on our head at 63 or 73. So my units are made to accommodate the different hair densities that we women want. It's just a topper, enough to do exactly what you need for it to do. Oh, that's not too bad. Maybe with some makeup on, I could wear this color. We're going to see in the coming months because I'm going to be color adventurous. And let me get started with my own appearance because I'm looking rather rough this morning. Rob will be home this evening, and of course, I don't want him to see me looking like this. He'll see it on the video, that's fine. This is business, but when he comes to the home after a long week of work, I don't want to look like this. I want to look like this. Well, what do you think? And I love this 3/4 wig that I just made last night and cut just now. I like this style and I like the little added color. I'm normally not a color person. I'm just 1B or 1. But now that I am making my wigs available, I am going to be adding color because that's what you all are asking for. Starting with color for myself, I love it, and I believe that color is going to be a part of my hair personality for a while. I look forward to you guys coming over to my new website. All of the hair units you will see there, I personally designed and made. You can place custom orders, learn more about me if you don't already know, more about my products, 3/4 wigs, toppers, hair additions for adding fullness and length to your own hair if you have hair loss, or just fun additions for people who just like doing different things with their hair. You can come to MissLola.com and get custom-made hair units made by me, like what I'm wearing. I'm the Magic Wig Maker. Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe so you'll know when I am working my magic